Hello everyone. My name is Alexis and I will be talking about why dogs are better than cats. I will be discussing why dogs are a better fit than cats are. Imagine you being in a difficult or a life-threatening situation, or um, imagine you feeling distressed and emotional and depressed and you just want somebody to be there for you, or maybe you just need a best friend just to hang out with and play with. Well, that's where your dog comes in. Dogs are better than cats. Dogs are better than cats because they have so much loyalty and they learn so much more than a cat. I mean, don't get me wrong, cats are great. They have their qualities, but dogs are so much productive than cats. For me, when I was 1 years old, I had a dog. Her name was Zola, and she was very loyal and very protective of all of her family. So whoever came over, she protected them. When I was younger, I lived in a bad neighborhood. Um, a lot of people used to come up to our doors and knock and just around our yard, and she was right there barking at them, making sure they wouldn't come near us. So she was a very, very protected dog. She lived till she was about 17 years old. And when she passed away, it was very, very, very hard. But you know what? She was just awesome. So, I mean, I know that not everybody will agree that dogs are better than cats, but a lot of people in the world have cats or dogs, especially here in Michigan. One reason why dogs are better than cats is because they can be potty trained outside. Cats are different, on the other hand. Cats, they tend to use the litter box. And with the litter box, they just stink up the yard. No, not stink up the yard, but they stink up the house. The litter is dragged everywhere, or sometimes their cats, they'll just pee wherever they want to pee. For an example, my sister, she she had two cats. One, they were named Lily, and I think the other one was Chancho. And it was a male and a female. And Lily, she didn't like to be touched, or cuddled, and she was just very, very grouchy. And then Chancho, he was kind of the same, but he peed everywhere. He squirted with his pee and everything. It was just nasty. It could just make your whole house just stink. And when I went over her house stunk like pee all the time. It was just very, very nasty. The next thing I will be talking about is that dogs are very productive and they love to play. Dogs interact with you and with other dogs, just depending on what kind of dog they are and how they were raised. Like my dog, I got a new dog. Her name is Aurora. I believe she is half pit, half Dalmatian, and she loves to play. She loves to play with other dogs. She just loves it. We have another dog, our neighbor. They have a dog, and his name is Oscar, and they just love to play and run. And I love to see that she loves to play and run. So that's one. And in general, dogs just love to play. They love to play fetch. They love to be chased. On the other hand, cats are lone wolves. They tend to like to play with themselves, like in the picture in here. They like to just be alone. just play with themselves. So, for another example with my sister, I'd never seen her cats. They were always hiding. So, but yep, dogs do love to play. Another example I could give was my other sister's dog. She loves to play. She loves to jump on people and just love them to death, and loves it when she plays with them. It's just, she's an amazing dog. Dogs are amazing. Who wouldn't love a dog? So that's my opinion. I think dogs are much better than cats. So the next thing I will be talking about is dogs will protect you. Oh yes, they will protect you. Oh, I have a lot of experiences where my dog has protected me and my family from whatever. It might not be a human, but it could be like a rat or like another dog. Yes, she has been there when she protected us from another dog. Oof, it's a lot of work, but she did protect us. So another example I could give when she protected us is when there was a rat when we lived in our bad neighborhood in our fridge, and my dad shook the fridge and the rat came raining out, and she literally like clenched her jaw into this rat because it was a threat to us. Like, it was just crazy. If you just seen and just watch some videos on how dogs protect their humans because they love them so much, it's just great. But on the other hand, with cats, they can't really protect us. I know they can from other animals, but I've only seen one video where a cat has protected their humans from a dog. And that was really impressive because not a lot of cats do that. So, but cats, like I said, they tend to hide and just stay out of sight, stay out of whatever they can. So, but just remember, our summary is I've explained that dogs are very playful and they are easily trained to go outside, potty training, whatever kind of training. I've recently watched a video of a woman, she's kind of a British woman, train her dogs act too, but other people's dogs into becoming better dogs, which I've seen. She says a lot of dogs are very easily trained because they are very smart. So with my dog, when we want to give her treats, we'll tell her to sit, and then we'll say wait, and then when we say okay, then it's okay for her to have the treat. And I thought that was just amazing. She's a great dog. All the dogs I've had were great. So, and also dogs love to protect. They are very loyal dogs. So a dog is really a man's best friend. It's crazy how amazing and unique and smart these mammals are. They're fantastic. So that is my summary. Also, don't forget that I'm not saying cats are bad. You know, if that's your type of animal, go with that animal. Obviously, if you love cats, they could be great in their own way. But if you really need a best friend or someone to cuddle, or you need protection because you're living alone and you don't feel comfortable living alone, definitely get a dog. A dog is a wonderful idea, and it's just a great idea. So, well, that was my presentation, and I hoped you liked it. So thank you for listening, and you all have a great night. Thank you.